Yes, hello, and welcome. Welcome to all my dear students. Welcome at your channel, Maths Mama. And one more time, we are going to do JEE Advanced PYQ, and this time we are going to do one very important topic from algebra. Right, so see, students. Yes, as I told, we are going to see the JEE Advanced PYQ on very important chapter from algebra. See, students, this question will involve the most important inequality that we study in algebra, and that is called as AMGM inequality. Okay, AMGM inequality. What is this AMGM inequality? We have studied in detail. AM of n numbers is always greater than or equal to their GM, always greater than or equal to their HM, and AM, GM, HM are always in GP. So we can say G square is equal to AH. These things we know. One more thing we know, we can only apply this AMGM inequality if numbers are real and positive. All these things you know in the theory part. But theory is not enough. In maths, they will not ask the theory. They only ask the applications of the theory. So let us see. Here is the question. They say, find out the minimum value of sum of these given numbers. These are the given numbers. We have to find the minimum of sum of that. You can see A greater than 0. If A greater than 0, all these numbers are positive. Clear? All numbers are positive. They are real already. And they are asking about minimum maximum. So from here we got the clue that this is the question of AMGM inequality. Right? Many students say this thing that we know the formula, we know the method, but we don't know how to apply this in the question. See, you have to collect small points from the question. From the question, 3, 4, 5 inputs you have to collect, and you have to observe those inputs, and then you have to map, then you have to think that which formula we can apply to get the desired answer. Clear? So in this question also we did the same. First of all, we saw positive numbers asking about minimum maximum, so we got the clue AMGM inequality. But in AMGM inequality, you see that either of the one side we make as constant, right? Either AM side or GM side we make as constant. Okay. See, this side they are asking the minimum value. That means AM side we cannot make the constant, because AM side there will be the summation of all numbers. GM side we have to make the constant. And you know, in calculating the AM, we add the numbers divided by total number of numbers. While calculating the GM, we multiply the numbers whole raised to power 1 by number of numbers. We know that. Everyone knows that. Okay. So when we are multiplying the numbers, that time we want this A to get cancelled, because if it is getting cancelled, we are going to see one constant over there, and then our job will be okay. Understood, everyone? Right. So see, These are the given numbers, and if we multiply, then you see what power you are getting, 18 and here minus 12. So power you are getting 6. That means power is not 0, that means not a constant. So this procedure will not work out. So what changes we should do so that the power is getting cancelled and we are going to get a constant over there, right? So see, here is this 3 into a power minus 3. If we write it as a power minus 3, a power minus 3, a power minus 3, then you will see when we multiply all, then we will get 18 and 9, yes, 18 minus 18, 0. Right? So this 3 into a power minus 3, we are not counting as one term. We are counting as 3 terms. First term, second term. Now count total number of numbers, 3 into 5 and 3, 8. Sum of numbers divided by number of numbers. This is our AM, this whole side is your AM. This must be greater than or equal to their GM. So GM is multiplication of all numbers, whole raised to power 1 divided by number of numbers. Okay, so this side it is 1 and this side this was this by 8, so we send that hand side. So we can see sum of all these numbers is coming out to be greater than or equal to 8. So if this side is always greater than or equal to 8, then what is the minimum value of this side? 8. 8 is the answer. Clear? So this was all from this very important question from JEE Advanced 2011 on AMGM inequality. Okay students, thank you.